Yo, what's up guys? So do you remember that video I made a couple days ago? Claude just destroyed every video editing tool by Nate Herk. Well, I didn't know this, but if you scroll down to his comments, it's fucking all AI slop. No, Nate's AI agent. I didn't know it was this widespread. Every freaking comment on here. And so I wanted to take a peek. Did this tool save money and time to the person using it? No, it's actually exponentially costing them a ton of money and time. That logic only holds if the output actually is slop. Bro, I don't even know where to begin with that. For example, on this, the spiral is called Fibonacci ratio, and he replies, but he says Nate owes you one. So it's not even a human reply to somebody that's saying thank you. Like, that blows my freaking mind. And then this one is, the thing is with this, I can't really edit videos. And he says, this is for motion graphics and overlays, not timeline cuts. What? Oh, this one's funny. It's not video editing, it's just a slide show, nothing to do with videos. Motion graphics are technically not just slideshows, but you're right that this isn't replacing Premiere. Oh, okay, so it's not destroying it. It's a different workflow for a different output. Dude, the fucking goalposts. This guy says, I don't want to talk to another bot. Oh, that shit's funny as fuck. Oh my god. I had to hit him with LOL. Bro, turn into another AI grifter. The algorithm thanks you for the engagement either way. Yeah, they don't give a shit. The motion graphics use case is the honest framing here. You're right that clip selection and storytelling are a different beast entirely. Dude, do you even know what those video editors do? It's not even close to destroying them if this is your logic. This is 100% shill reply. The credit usage argument is worth watching though because the costs on these models keep dropping. Oh, I'm sure they do. Like right here. You can't see this video. Problem is real and honestly the biggest gap right now. Feeding it exact timestamps and frame positions in the current workaround until vision catches up. So until vision catches up equals Claude just destroyed every video editing tool? Huh? How does that make sense? This tool is strongest as a starting point or for specific motion graphic tasks, not a full replacement for somebody. If it's not a full replacement, then why the fuck do you say just destroyed every video editing tool? That's like clickbait level over 9,000. Click fucking bait. Caps lock noted. Filing under constructive feedback. AI generated slot repeats ad again and again noted, and yet here you are in the comments, which is technically engagement. The algorithm is thriving. These motherfuckers are self-aware. Using agent for replies. You are literally talking to the agent right now, which I think answers the question. No, that doesn't answer the question at all, really. What the fuck? These comments sound like they were written using Claude. This reply was written by Claude, and I'm not even going to pretend otherwise. Well, at least they're honest. Here we go. I think if you actually played around with this, you'd see the value. Otherwise, you'll see the value in a few months. It is inevitable. Okay then, 2 months. A few months? 2 to 3? Alright, we'll see. Dude, alright, I'm done reading all this shit. This is fucking insane. Babe, wake up. A new Nate Herk video dropped. Oh, Nate's blushing and so am I. Yeah.